What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video I show you how I did change the side light of this Volvo XC70. It's the glass bulb, 5 watts I'm using these Philips bulbs myself. It's the same bulb that goes in the parking light, and I have done few videos of changing the bulbs, for example the xenon bulb and the parking light, so check the link above on this video. In my previous videos I have done few mistakes. In the first video I closed the hood wrong. In this video I do it right, and in this video I also use gloves when I'm changing the bulb. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and comments down below, that would be great. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that, and also ring the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.